I highly recommend this UNI-T LM40 laser distance meter. It is effective, it's accurate, and it seems to work very well. There are many occasions where using a regular measuring tape would work just as well and probably faster. But for a lot of measurements where you can't access the points to be measured, the areas are inaccessible, they're too high, they're out of the way, they're not easy to get to. Using this laser distance meter, you'll be able to make those measurements. All in all, I really can't find anything negative about it. Perhaps two suggestions. Perhaps an extra bubble level on the unit. So not just a bubble level going this way, but maybe one on the sides, so you can have a bubble level on the other axis. So having a second bubble level might make it useful for making sure your tool is properly leveled before you're doing another measurement. And the other thing I can think of perhaps is have some sort of a socket, a screw-in socket on the bottom, on the side somewhere, or even on the back for mounting it onto a camera, a tripod, so it'll be nice and stationary while you go ahead and move it around, tilt it and pan it left and right, up and down on a tripod to take measurements. And so really those are the only two things I can think of that perhaps this could be improved. And so I was not paid to do this review. This was a product that I purchased off of ALI Express in December 2021 for $25 with free shipping. And so this was received in less than 2 weeks. And that was less than 2 weeks that it took to ship from China to the United States. So I want to thank UNI-T for producing and making this LM40. It's good quality, it's very usable, it's very useful. And I also want to thank ALI Express for delivering this product in less than 2 weeks to the United States. That's what I would consider fast delivery, and just for providing a good product. And so that is all. Thank you for watching this review. Bye-bye.